Hey YouTube, Big Mike. I'm back to you with another video. On my way to pick up a patient. It's starting to rain here. I've been real busy getting this money. I hope everyone is well and enjoying life, given the opportunity to be successful and make money in the non-emergency medical transportation business. Yeah, let's see here. It's starting to rain. Yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to pick up a client at the hospital here. Okay, let's see how this traffic moves today. Oh, again, I want to thank everybody who took action and is putting the time in, day out. Oh, and also I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Given the opportunity to see what the day brings, to be successful and be happy. Yeah, we almost at the destination here. Okay, Big Mike, I'm out. I'm coming to you with another video. I've been so busy. I'm out for now. Big Mike, peace.